Your money is already. I can pay for my money.
Which is also my money.
Yeah. Again, which is also your money.
Yeah.
Of course, picture muna. Ayun na ang mga 3 musketeers. Zip line. So yung dalawa lang ang magra-rides kasi takot yung isa. So bibili sila ng package para ma-enjoy naman nila yung zip line. Ready, Ado? Ready? Okay, let's take a photo.
But by now they have full package.
Yeah. At binala na sila sa taas ng bundok. At dito kami naghihintay sa landing area. Maluwag dito, maaliwalas. So while waiting, may nakita kaming isang diver. Ayun, talon! Wow! Ayun na nga sila, guys! Oh my God! Ano kayang feeling nila dyan? Well, na-try ko na yan before. Actually, maganda yung feeling at ang haba ng zipline na yun. Tanaw mo dyan yung lahat ng part nila from up to down. Hanggang dyan lang muna, guys. Follow us for the next activity.